8 health benefits of the rosemary plant you might need. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 8 health benefits of the rosemary plant that you might need. So if you're ready, let's go. Most of us know that rosemary is an herb commonly used in savory cooking. Rosemary is the key ingredient in many pasta sauces, pizza recipes, and vinaigrettes. The perennial woody herb also has a long history of being used for medical and health benefits. Here are 8 health benefits of the rosemary plant that you might need. Number 1, antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation as well. Research suggests this plays an important role in neutralizing harmful particles called free radicals. Number 2, memory and concentration booster. Rosemary has long been linked to memory. Some research suggests it helps improve memory by 75%. A substance produced in the leaves, Carnosic acid, can actually protect the brain from free radical damage. Other compounds in the herb promote healthy blood flow to the brain tissue and have a stimulating effect on the mind. Number 3, improves digestion. Fresh rosemary in small doses can aid digestion as it stimulates the production of bile. This will help to neutralize acidic foods in the stomach. Simply brew a cup of rosemary tea to help treat stomach problems such as cramps, bloating, constipation, or indigestion. Number 4, de-stressor. The ancient Greeks knew of the stress-busting powers of rosemary. Research confirms that the smell of rosemary can reduce cortisol levels associated with stress. You can simply sniff a bouquet of rosemary or use a diffuser with a few drops of pure rosemary essential oil. You can purchase rosemary essential oil at any health food store. Number 5, headache reliever. Rosemary has been a popular herb for centuries as a natural migraine remedy. For headache relief, rub a stem between your hands vigorously to release the fragrance and then inhale it. Or, if you want to, have a cup of rosemary tea when the headache pain strikes. Number 6, cough expectorant. The eucalyptol compound in rosemary helps to loosen chest congestion, making it easier to cough up phlegm. Simply massage 1 or 2 drops of rosemary infused oil over your chest and throat area every few hours. Number 7, ease asthma and allergies. Due to rosemary's antihistamine properties, it can reduce the severity of allergies and help with asthma as well. It works by reducing inflammation of the airway. Try a fragrant and relaxing rosemary herbal steam. Simply boil 4 cups of water and pour over a handful of fresh or dried rosemary leaves in a bowl. Then, place your head over the bowl and capture the healing herb vapor by draping a towel over your head while you inhale the steam for best relief. Number 8, helps control hair loss and dandruff. Because rosemary oil increases blood circulation, it can be used to treat hair loss and dandruff. Rosemary oil also improves overall scalp condition. After washing your hair, massage the scalp with a few drops of rosemary-infused essential oil. You can buy this at most health and food stores or even online. So, make sure to use rosemary when you're cooking all of your meals from now on to get these health benefits. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video on 8 health benefits of the rosemary plant that you can use. And also, don't forget to click the link in the description and the pinned comment if you haven't already. Head on over to our blog and pick up your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 100 plus home and natural remedies. I know you're going to love it. So if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a video. I am uploading videos weekly. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.